Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to make printout with HP LaserJet Pro 400 printer. That is model is M401. Because of error, that is driver is unavailable. Now to fix it, you have to install the driver. So you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see the model number, and over here make sure that you select your operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. In my case, it's Windows 11. Now over here, you can expand this driver, Universal Print driver, and you can install this HP Universal Print driver for Windows PostScript, and then you can even install this PCL6. So you can click on download over here, and then you can go to the download location, make a right click, and then click on extract all. Click on extract, and then you can run the setup file over here. So here you can see install option. Make a double click. Click on yes to allow. Click on yes. So you can select the option which you want. Traditional mode creates a regular printer object in printers folder. With this mode, dynamic mode creates special printer. So you can select the option which you want. Yeah, so I will select this one. Click on next. Let the installation complete, and then once the installation is complete, now you can you have to set up your printer once again and then check. And you can also install this one, that is PCL1. Follow the same step, download it, extract it, run the exe file, and then install the driver. After the installation, you should be able to make a printout once you are able to set up your printer, and then that error should go away. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.